Build OS Android v8.0 Oreo. Dimensions 142 by 70 by 9.7 mm. Weight 171 grams. SIM, dual standby, nano SIM. Colors silver, black, blue, pink. Frequency 2G band SIM 1, GSM 850, 900, 1800, 1900. SIM 2, GSM 850, 900, 1800, 1900. 3G band STPA 850, 900, 1900, 2100. 4G band LTE. Processor CPU octa-core. Chipset Qualcomm Snapdragon 630. GPU Adreno 510. Display technology IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen, 16 colors, multi-touch. Size 5.2 inches. Resolution 1080 by 1920 pixels, ~424 ppi. Protection Corning Gorilla Glass, unspecified version. Memory built-in 32GB built-in, 3GB RAM. Card microSD card, supports up to 256GB. Camera main 23MP, f/2.0, 24mm, f/3. Features phase detection, geotagging, touch focus, face, smile detection, HDR, panorama, video, 2160p at 30 fps, 1080p at 30 fps, stereo sound rec, HDR. Front dual, 16MP, f/2.0, 23mm, f/6. Connectivity LAN Wi-Fi 802.11a/b/g/NAC, dual band, Wi-Fi direct, hotspot. Bluetooth v5.0 with a 2DP, LA, aptX HD. GPS Yes plus a GPS support, and GLONASS. Radio FM radio. USB 2.0, Type-C 1.0 reversible connector, USB host. NFC Yes. Data GPRS, Edge, 3G, HSPA 42.25.76 Mbps, 4G, LTE-A, 3Ca, Cat 13 600 150 Mbps. Features sensors, accelerometer, compass, proximity, fingerprint. Audio 3.5mm audio jack, SVID MP4/H.265 player, MP3/EAC+/WAV/WMA/FLAC player, speakerphone. Browser HTML5. Messaging SMS threaded view, MMS, email, push mail, M. Games built-in plus downloadable. Torch Yes. Extra active noise cancellation with dedicated mic, document viewer, photo, video editor. Battery capacity, Li-ion non-removable, 3300 mAh. Fast battery charging, quick charge 3.0.